They say in cricket that you hunt in partnerships, you hunt in pair rather, and I have my hunting partner here, Mr. Amit Shah, who's touring England since 2007. Amit Shah, right?
Yes, yes.
And why I'm mentioning this 2007 part, because I'm coming from Belfast, Amit bhai, at this point of time. Yes, we lost the series, but Rohit Sharma and you made your touring debut as far as
Yes,
England is concerned
exactly.
to that very ground, the Belfast cricket ground. Not a very happy memory when we are coming back here in England, and now we are in Chesterley Street today. Obviously, a morning session for Indian team. England will practice later, but the first question, obviously, the conditions will be tough because we are at the very north at this point of time. This is way more ahead than Leeds. You call it Leeds Headingley, one of the toughest scenarios as far as batting is concerned. But now we are in somewhere around Durham, and Durham is that place which is in headlines at this point of time because of Ben Stokes. Ben Stokes, it all comes down to Ben Stokes, but we'll talk about that later. The first thing will be, Amit Shah, that it's about Vaibhav Suryavanshi now. It's
The
about
biggest news.
biggest question.
Yeah,
biggest question that
biggest
will
question.
he get a debut? Will he get the debut? English media is writing about him. Obviously, from last 2 days, they were very busy around Ben Stokes because he retired. Obviously, everyone is talking about that. But when we were there in Ireland, it was all about the Irish journalists were also talking about this. BBC sending 3-4 people, one for the Instagram coverage. Everyone is talking about Tajpur, Samastipur. So BBC is talking about Samastipur and Litti Chokas and everything. So that's really a big thing, and especially at this point of time when there's a FIFA World Cup going on, there's an England Test series going on, there are other things going on. So how do you see this? A Vaibhav Suryavanshi, trickier conditions, Jofra Archer in the T20 squad. Obviously, Bryden Cast. One thing which really, make things a little easier. Jemmy Overton. Look at the form of Jemmy Overton as far as CSK is concerned. There's no Jemmy Overton. There's no Bryden Cast at this point of time. Shabai, how do you see this? First thing, obviously, around Vaibhav Suryavanshi. Are you also feeling this around you? That everyone is talking about this young 15-year-old.
In one word, biggest marketing product. Biggest marketing product.
For this country.
For this
also.
country, because
Sky
see,
Sports also needs-
exactly because see, Rohit, you and me were here last year, the same
Yeah.
same scenario, and when we are covering the 5 Test match series, till that time England was thinking to organize this white ball series.
Yes.
And at the middle of that Test series, England is decided that okay, we'll host the 5 T20 and 3 ODIs.
Yes.
And this is the jackpot for the Indian team, because this IPL, Vaibhav Suryavanshi has shown his top class, and that's why he's in this squad. But the biggest talking point, which that Indian team management will give him a chance or not.
Yes.
Being a
What do you think? What do you think?
So as per the supporting the coaching staff, I know Gautam Gambhir, he just given 1 or 2 more chances to this current opening pair, because this opening pair is a World Cup winning pair they are playing. And see, Vaibhav Suryavanshi, look at his age that we are talking
Yeah.
since last so many days. He's just 15 years. He just need to take an experience. But Belfast condition was different. Here is different, and especially in Durham, there is a crosswind factor will happen, and the ball will come really nice on the bat. So maybe if Gautam Gambhir want to take a chance for this first game, this is the biggest opportunity to hit England directly, because see, now I think England has they played against New Zealand, so
Yeah,
maybe
yeah, yeah.
their
It's all
major
done
attack
now,
will be
yeah.
it's all done. So maybe if you are giving us this is the perfect condition for Vaibhav Suryavanshi. In Belfast, different conditions, but here Vaibhav Suryavanshi, if they are playing one gamble, I think then Indian team will win the jackpot if they are giving. But the biggest question mark, are you dropping Sanju Samson or Abhishek Sharma? This is the biggest question. But still, that today when the practice sessions start, we'll get the clear picture that whether he is getting a chance or not.
Maybe Amit Shah bhai is watching a lot of Sanjeev Suryavanshi at this point of time, around the premises. That's why Sanjeev name is there. But I think as Amit bhai said, the challenge will be the same. I think it's very cold. Don't go by our half t-shirts. We are used to it now.
Yeah.
We are it's too early for me to say this because
Yeah.
this man have traveled
We are
this
half
country,
of the English now.
this country I think 7-8 times. But for me, because of my Pahadi genes, I'm okay. But it is not in 20s at this point of time. It is under 20s. It is chilly, it is windy, and this is going to be the real test again for Indian team. I really don't want to listen the same thing what Bryant and Descartes said on that very press conference, that adaptability is the key and wind is the factor when it comes down to, and this guy did the story completely around before that second game, that how wind is creating a problem as far as Indian team is concerned. So this is not new for the traveling journalist. This will be a challenge in New Zealand also, Shabai.
Exactly.
And this is the perfect scenario. But let's not go to the New Zealand thing, because here the bowling attack, as I was saying, that against a Jofra Archer, against a Shakib Mahmood, against someone like an experience, I'm talking about spinners also, Adil Rashid, because the way they use your wind against your strategies, I think they will be planning really well as far as that Ireland series is concerned.
Really.
Ireland was too young, but they still know that how to use the conditions better than India, and that's what they did.
Yep.
And I think, Shabai, England will also do the same as far as strategy is concerned. Do you think that same thing will trouble India here if they are not proactive as far as their plans are concerned?
Rohit, last year we have seen that the most of the test venues we got the flat wickets.
Yes.
But at one of the venue, I guess in Manchester,
Yeah, in Manchester,
we got
Manchester
little bit
was
of fiery wicket.
because Manchester was overcast.
Overcast, yeah.
It was raining there, and it was before the game also, if you remember, that players were not even running into the outfield because it was quite damp at that point of time. So yeah, it was windy also, and it was a little bit of damp
So in
also.
that test match, Indian team was a little bit lacking regarding the batting.
that's why
is
that
concerned.
test got drawn.
So yeah, so this similar kind of a weather we can get in here and see, which I was talking about, the cross wind factor.
Yeah.
It means this is the up north that you already mentioned that
Yes.
we are
Over
over
England
the
at this
leads.
point of
Yeah.
time.
So maybe the winds are coming from both the direction. In that direction, the bowlers also have to maintain their line and length. Definitely, Arshdeep Singh is the advantage. He will get an advantage, and even Shivam Dube, because he is a slow medium pacer, he will also get some advantage.
And he did
But-
really well in the Ireland series.
Exactly, but I think all eyes on Sanju Samson. Sanju Samson, because see, your ball will get easily on the bat, and I think if India will won the toss the day after tomorrow, they will choose the bat, because
Okay. Let's
here you can just come and score the bigger heavy tons of runs on this wicket, but you have to concentrate. Here the ball will come easily. Ball will not travel here and there like Belfast or New Zealand, just we have spoken about in our show. But I think forget everything. Sitanshu Kotak is the man who have played here more than
Yes,
15,
coach.
30 years on this England soil as a club cricket. Only one club that is also near the Manchester. So he know perfectly idea about the English wickets. Even Gautam Gambhir knows everything. Sairaj Bhautile, he comes. He also played a good cricket in England. So maybe this support staff will sit. Even Mone Mokal, because he's coming from South Africa. He also knows about how the wicket plays, the fiery wicket plays, and what kind of combination of batsman and bowler combination you need to come with. So I think these all things is come together, and we are just waiting for the practice session, and then we'll get the clear picture.
Okay, so as I was mentioning in the earlier part of the video, that it's going to be tougher. It's not going to be easy for Indian cricket team from here onwards, because the turn-up time, again, they have just one day. They travelled yesterday, now they will practice today, and then you have a game on, and then in between the series also, there is not to look back and plan and then go ahead. So very tricky time as far as Gautam Gambhir and his team is concerned. Plus Shreyas Iyer lost his first series as a captain, now will surely be under pressure, and what he do under these circumstances will be the key. And of course, will the 15-year-old, I think 94 days now, 95 days, will he get a debut? That will be the important question. We'll try to give you each and everything as far as this tour is concerned. Rev Sports is here, Ground Zero will provide you every detail, every report. Just one request, please follow, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and try to send your point of views also, so that we can discuss on that also. Thank you so much, Amit Shah bhai.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.